Hi everyone, my name is Hazel, and this is my first trip on Viaggio. Today I'm taking you on a magical journey through one of the most unique and breathtaking cities in the world. I'm talking about Venice for those who haven't understood. I've always dreamed of coming here, and let me tell you, it's even more incredible than I imagined. So, grab yourself a cappuccino, sit back, and let me show you why Venice should be at the top of your bucket list for your trip to Italy. Okay, so first stop, Piazza San Marco. This square is iconic. You have St. Mark's Basilica with its glittering mosaics, the imposing Campanile, and the Doge's Palace. What I loved most here was the history. Every corner of this square has a story. Did you know that this was once the political and cultural heart of Venice? Standing here, you can almost feel the centuries of history beneath your feet. And then, the view from the bell tower, absolutely stunning. The next stop is a gondola ride. Guys, I know it's a little touristy, but trust me, it's worth every penny. Gliding through the canals, you get a completely different perspective of the city. The gondolier even sang for us a little trashy, but also romantic. It's like walking into a postcard. And the Grand Canal? It's like the main street in Venice, except it's a canal surrounded by buildings. Truly, it is the most unique city I have ever seen. Now, let's talk about food. Oh my god. The seafood here is out of this world. I tried the sardine in sour, which is a dish of sweet and sour marinated sardines. It's so good. One thing you absolutely must do is sit in a small bar in the canal, order a spritz, and soak up the atmosphere. It's pure magic. Another thing I loved was exploring the little shops. Venice is famous for Murano glass and Burano lace. I got this beautiful hand-blown glass necklace. It's a really special souvenir. And don't forget the Venetian masks. They are so intricate and colorful. I even saw a craftsman making one by hand. It's incredible how much craftsmanship goes into it. When the sun sets on the Rialto Bridge, it's hard not to fall completely in love with Venice. This city isn't just a place you visit, it's an experience. The beauty, the history, the food, the atmosphere. It's like no other place on earth. If you've ever thought about coming to Venice, this is your signal. Book that ticket. You won't regret it. Thank you so much for accompanying me on this adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel stories. If you want help booking your holidays, write to us privately. I'll wait for you in the next video.